It's time for a craft haul. Keep watching. Download the TEMU app in the box below.
I cannot think of a better way to start the morning than to share with you a haul. So let's go. Today's video is in collaboration with TEMU. I'm going to have all of the prices underneath the products that I show you in today's haul. And I'll also have a price list in the description box below if it's easier for you to find it that way. I already work with TEMU. I have used TEMU products before they even reached out to me for collaborations for many, many years. And they ship everywhere. So anybody who watches my videos can buy the products that they might need to get themselves inspired to craft. Got a little bit of Christmas stuff, a little bit of tools, things like that that you could use, and then some everyday things. But I really want to share these with you because now is the time to be buying stuff. If you've got some money for Christmas, if you know somebody's helping you out, if you need to buy last minute gifts, if whatever is coming up, if you're a new crafter and you want to start crafting and you need some tools, here you go. First off, I would like to say that the products all came very nicely packaged, secured. Everything that needed to be extra secured was secured. I even put to the test a TEMU canvas that was actually on a frame because I wondered, a lot of times things come in bags. What if it gets broken? Well, I am very happy to say that it was not broken. And let me just show you this beautiful piece for my home. Y'all ready? Look at this. I adore this print of Santa. I love that he is not in the traditional red colors, that you can actually find Santa in many, many, many different colors in canvas prints in TEMU. So whatever you want for your home decor, you can pretty much find Santa in those colors. It's gonna fit in great with my Forever Fall home. By the way, if you have not checked out that channel, scoot on over there when the video is done because I have a haul over there too. So look how nice this looks with my tree even. See the colors that I chose for my tree? All right, the next piece is this beautiful Greenery wreath. I love this. Look at that. It's very realistic looking, very realistic. Many, many times you will see me using Greenery from TEMU because it's affordable and I can find exactly what I want. There's a bigger variety than what I have found in the dollar stores, and it's much cheaper than what you would find in the big box stores. You gotta fluff, you gotta fluff. Everything's squished when you get it, but you fluff it out, you know, you fluff it. He'll look better when I hang it up, don't worry. Okay, I got this beautiful gold beaded garland. Very pretty. It's a good length. Sometimes you have to think outside of the box when you go to TEMU because things might not pop up when you put them in the search bar like what you think it is. So like if you want to get wall decals or you want to get large stickers for something, I want you to consider putting in that bar toilet stickers. Trust me, take my word for it. I've used toilet stickers on many, many crafts. Let me show you. This is a sticker, but it's a toilet sticker. This is a perfect sticker to use on a wood round. You could use it on your glass, you can use it on a door, you can put it on a mirror above your fireplace, whatever. Just to give you some ideas. It's a matte finish and the detail is really, really good. Make sure that it fits the project that you want. Another one I got that I'm gonna be using this summer because y'all know I love my bees. Oh, the detail in this one. Look how beautiful. You can even see the little individual hairs on the bees. It's so pretty. Of course, we can't craft without zip ties. And I think just about every crafter has a need for zip ties, especially if you're making wreaths or you have a lot of projects that you need to put together that maybe hot glue wouldn't work on. Love my zip ties, and these are a good size. It's a big pack too. I got a bag of these little foam brushes. Let me take them out and show you. So they're 3 packages of 3. It almost feels like a makeup sponge. It has a little plastic handle, and they're in different shades. These would be perfect for stenciling. Just to pat that on there, you don't have to worry about the ends of the brushes going underneath the parts that maybe you didn't stick down good enough. These are gonna be great. I cannot wait to try these. And it came in three packs. I have a little pack here, and you can use the box that you use for your phone charger for this. Plug that in, and then you can charge everything else on it. So it's an extender. So far, my experience with these types of organizers with TEMU have been good. So if you've worried about electronics from them, I can't speak on everything, but I can speak on these types of things, and I've had luck with these so far. So I'm happy with this purchase. Down somewhere, it's just too high. It's too high, my tail hurts. I'm short. Along the lines of things that are stickers, I got this little Santa. He is so precious. Again, a matte finish. I have 3 packs of like a craft type paper, and it is in this smaller size, so probably maybe a 6x6. We'll take a look at each one. Here's the first pack. I love fall, so to me, these are just stunning. Look at all these colors. I will be using these probably in some of my home decor when I get moved to a new home. Yeah, these are absolutely gorgeous. These are like a vintage or rustic looking outdoors pieces. Look at that with the little fence. Very pretty. Could use these all year long. They have a bunch of different backgrounds and themes. Some of these craft papers are in packages that have more than one print of the same thing. So, for example, in this one, there are 3 of each one. Always read all the way through the description to make sure you get what you are looking for. So in here, there's 3. 1, 2, 3. But you know what makes these packs wonderful is that you have plenty to share, which is awesome. So here's another print. There's Santa. This looks like a vintage wreath tree. Look at this. Oh, so pretty. I'm just sitting here thinking of all the things that I could have made for Christmas if I would have ordered this sooner. Speaking of Christmas, I got these 2 little mini tinsels in a silver and a gold. Here we have some beaded lace trim. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, I'm using this for Easter, y'all. Can you imagine this with some vintage Easter? Oh my word. I hope y'all are gonna be here for Easter. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell to let YouTube know that you're enjoying the video. And comment, of course, comment on every video something nice. Now I've got another piece of trim. Look at this. Ooh, Valentine's, y'all. Vintage Valentine's. That's why I bought this one. Okay, so a little bit random, but not really. I like to have scents in my home. I like to have candles in my home, wax melts, fresh things that smell like the season, right? So I decided to try out one of their lighters. You charge it? I don't know. We'll see. I think I'm gonna go put this thing on the charger for when we get ready. Girl, it's already got a charge on it. Hold on. Let me get a candle. Oh, the joy of crafting. The joy of a girl with her candle. Here's my little lighter. That's supposed to be where the fire is. Let's see if it works. Oh my goodness. Christmas gift to myself. Okay, so I decided to give TEMU scissors a try because I haven't used them before and we want to have a good deal when we can have a good deal, right? So this is a scissor set. So you can see the beautiful colors. They did offer it in a variety of colors. So here they are. Love that, like an oil kind of finish, let's take the medium-sized scissors and we'll just use the backing. Well now, I see you, TEMU. Okay, I don't remember what this is. Let's see. Let's discover together, shall we? Oh, I remember now. Oh, y'all, if y'all watch my channel, you know that I love getting my little embellishments and things from TEMU. Look at these. These are so great on like a plain frame. You can really make them look nice. You can really fix them up. So there's 4 pieces, big pieces. Oh my gosh, the detail. It's smooth on the back. It doesn't need to be sanded. It's beautiful. More boxes that I don't recall. And I don't have my glasses on, so I couldn't read it anyway. I know what this is. Can you guess? How about now? Look how beautiful. You can just put it together yourself. It is a brass candle holder, and it is a set of 3. So you can see the different heights that you get. 3 different heights. Oh yes, these are the lights that I use in my studio. They're just attached in lamps and they sit on the sides of my table because I craft in the basement and it gets very dark in there. So these, I thought I would try these. They're also repositionable and you can actually leave them all down. You can point them. Nice. They got the bottom covered. And look, it's LED, so look at all those little leads in there. So it came in a 2-pack. This one is metal. It's a little metal sign. Look how pretty. So pretty. It's just plain on the back. But it has 2 holes in the sides, and you can hang these in a wreath if you want to, or if you wanted to just put like a little chain or something on it, you know, you could just hang it if you have a small space. So the last thing I got is a general tool set. Look at this. Look at the cuteness of this. Ladies who love pink, it is pink and black. See? You just slide this open, and this is what it looks like inside. Very nice set. It's all together and it's all organized. I love that. All right, be sure you check out all those links. Go on over to TEMU and get you something wonderful. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you soon. Bye.